everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to do this Mickey Mouse themed pumpkin inspired nail art. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's video. So I'm starting off my manicure with base coat to protect my natural nails, as I'm going to use a tons of dark nail polishes on my nails. After base coat, I am applying a beach polish on my middle and ring fingernail, where I am going to draw Mickey's head. At the bottom of my middle fingernail, I have applied a transparent tape which is covering 1/3 part of my nail. To draw Mickey's head, I am applying a black nail polish at the center of my nails. I am removing that tape which I used to section my nail before the black polish dries out completely to avoid any mess. I am drawing Mickey's ears again with a black nail polish, but this time with help of a separate painting brush. Now I am applying a red nail polish at the tip of my nail to create Mickey's pants, and for those tiny gaps after applying nail polish, I am filling those gaps with help of a toothpick. Now I am going to transform this Mickey Mouse into pumpkin with help of a acrylic paint by adding details. So the thing is that I had to add most of the details off camera because I could barely see anything when I was adding details on camera. After adding details, I have added 2 yellow dots to resemble buttons of the pants over red polish. On my ring fingernail, I am adding 3 tiny dots with black nail polish to draw tiny Mickey head. On rest of my nails, I have applied red nail polish. Over there, I am doing dotticure nail art with beach polish. Finally, finishing off my manicure with a glossy top coat to give my manicure a glossy look and to make it long lasting. And here is the final look of my manicure. I hope you liked this nail art and enjoyed this video. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Happy Halloween everyone. Bye bye.